Starting a YouTube channel could honestly be the single best decision you make this year. The 5 C's framework: courage. Start before you're ready. Ignore the inner critic. Consistency. Momentum comes from regular uploads. Clarity. Know who you're helping and how. Content. Get 1% better with every video. Script, filming, editing, delivery, cash. Monetization comes later. Start by focusing on value. In this video, I'll share practical strategies to help you finally start, grow, and even monetize your channel. Part 1. Know why you're starting. Before we get tactical, it's important to get clear on your why. There are two main paths when starting a channel. Creator first. You love making content and might monetize later. Business first. You already have a product or service and want YouTube to drive traffic. The dream? Doing both, having fun and making money. But here's the truth. If your only motivation is money, YouTube can be a slow, painful grind. But if you're here because you love creating, teaching, and sharing, even with no guaranteed payoff, you're in a great spot. That passion is what sustains creators long term. Part 2. Just start. The 7-video challenge. The simplest way to break the inertia? Commit to making 7 videos. Not 7 perfect videos, not 7 viral videos, just 7 videos. With every video, aim to get just 1% better. You'll naturally improve, and you'll discover what topics and formats you actually enjoy. Part 3. Set realistic expectations. Here's the tough love. It takes time. Consistency beats perfection every time. But the amazing part, you'll still gain priceless skills. Storytelling, video editing, communication, confidence. You don't learn YouTube by watching tutorials. Pause this video. Open your phone. Record a 30-second clip saying, "Hey, I'm starting a YouTube channel. Congratulations. That's your first video. See you in the next one."